evening and welcome to our short interview with Maria. Hi Maria,
Hello,
thanks
Glenda.
for taking time for chat with me today, and I really appreciate it because you give time for this short interview. So before we dive in, um, can you introduce yourself and share a bit about your background?
Okay. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Maria Teresa Griggs, and I'm an overseas Filipino worker currently in Bahrain. Currently based in Bahrain, and I'm always passionate about exploring online opportunities and finding ways to create financial freedom. I enjoy blogging, affiliate marketing, and sharing my journey to inspire others who want to start earning online. So I'm interested in affiliate marketing, grew when I realized the potential of building an income while working abroad. And that's what led me to discover an OLSP.
Wow, it's great. So, let's talk about OLSP. How did you first hear about OLSP?
Actually, I heard this OLSP from my friends, but it was like 5 to 6 months ago. But it's very difficult to believe on, online because I heard a lot also about for the
Yeah,
spammers.
exactly.
Yeah, so it's very hard to believe. But when I searching and I saw also through my social media because easy today to but the like this is then I search again, so the OLSP it's like it's known all
Yeah.
about the social
So you
media.
are checking about the reviews about OLSP.
Yeah, so when I checked that one, so the OLSP actually decoded me about the attention. So decoded me about the attention for the about the structured training and strong community support. So I wanted to learn how to generate leads and sales, and especially in the beginners friendly way. And OLSP seems like the right platform start with.
So, what made you decide to join the OLSP?
I decided to join. I decided to join OLSP because I wanted to learn how to earn online with a systems and that provides clear training and the real strategies as a beginner. So I needed step-by-step guidance, and OLSP made it easy to understand how affiliate marketing works. So I started with the $7 plan to test it out, and after earning my first small commissions, I saw the potential. So now I'm focused on improving my skills, growing my business, and helping others who wanted to start their journey in affiliate marketing.
So,
Sige na.
so many people are interested about OLSP, but aren't you sure if they join? What advice you can give to them?
If hello guys, if you are watching right now, so if you are joining our OLSP community, so I just recommend you guys that I can advise to you guys that if you follow to all the strategies or the step by step, especially when you're always joining for the training live, so everything is there, so it's very easy. It's easy, guys. Even you don't have any experience about online. So everything is there. So that's the one I can recommend you guys.
Wow, it's a very great.
Yes,
So
exactly.
before we wrap up, is there anything else you want to share or you want to promote something about OLSP to the viewers right now?
Yes, so thank you for mentioning about that. So actually guys, we have a upcoming event this coming April 4 to 6 guys. So it's very exciting this because everything they are meeting in person, you know, this is the first time happening OLSP. This is, you know, so the event is happening on 4 February, no, April 4 to 6 guys. So this is a big opportunity to everyone in the OLSP community to gain valuable insight, strategies, and success stories from the top earners. So while I would not be attending, but actively participating in our challenge on the page, where I'll be sharing key takeaways and my own journey. So if you are serious about affiliate marketing, so I highly recommended checking out. It's a great way to learn and connect and take online business to the next level. So this is the one I can recommend guys. So don't forget to watch our upcoming events guys, because this is the first ever happened to OLSP, this big event. So don't forget guys, this coming April 4 to 6. So we're gonna see you there in London. So thank you so much guys, and don't forget to check in my bio, and thank you for watching.
Wow, it's a big opportunity, guys. So if we have time and also if we have money, so we need to go because we have a lot of things, we have a lot of learnings we can learn from them, especially to the coach of OLSP. So thank you for sharing for tonight, Maria, and have a great
Yeah,
evening.
I just see something to about our coaching. Thank you to our coach Wayne Crowe. Thank you so much this opportunity to this kind of platforms, and thank you so much that you very inspiring about the training. So thank you so much, coach, and advance happy birthday, coach.
Wow,
Bye.
happy birthday in advance.
Yes.
So let's hope we can join them with their big events. See you guys, and thank you so much. Thank you, Maria.
And thank you also, Linda. It's a very, you know, what do you call that? To meet you in person. Yeah, so thank you so much for your time. And thank you. Have a good day, guys. See you in London.
Bye-bye.
Bye.